cried a tear, you wiped it dry. I was confused, you cleared my mind. I sold my soul, you bought it back for me and held me up and gave me dignity. Somehow you needed me, you gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world out on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, you needed me, and I can't believe it's you, I can't believe it's true. I needed you, and you were there, and I'll never leave. Why should I leave? I'd be a fool, 'cause I finally found someone who really cares. You held my hand when it was cold, when I was lost. You took me home, you gave me hope when I was at the end, and turned my life back into truth again. You even called me friend, you gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world out on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, you needed me, you needed me, you needed me.
Sa buhay kong ito, tanging pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamtan. Kahit na sandali kita'y mamasdan, ligaya ay tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maninimbi
Ay makasalaga silong mo, ikagat iba-ida. O naranya kabulan, sangsangit ko nindinga. Uy nasingit na lubong ko, ikagat silawan ang Sam itig ipatay, pupunan kinagunin ng laylay ng inayat, kagaling palas bangin, on may pinarasing at ikindin. Naranya kabulan, sangsangit ko tindingan. Ko'y nasingit na lubong ko, ikagat iba-ila. O naranya kabulan, sangsangit ko patay. Ko'y nasingit na lubong ko, ikagat silawan ng noche may awan. Doon ka nang ipatin, karingganyan na tumatin, sangsang ipag-ipatay, pupulan din at ulit ng laylay at iayan, ikagaling palas bahin. On may kutarasip na ikindin. Noong ka nalipatin, karingkan niyang nag-iwasin, sangsang itag-ipatay, pupulan kita kuhin ng laylay at iayan, ikagaling palas bahin. On may kutarasip na ikindin. Thank you so much sa lahat pa na nagugas ng Ilocano song. Lots.
Para po sa mga Pangasinense. Ito, dati may lalaw ka po sa mga Pangasinense. Nalilak-lay labing oras, lay para mapagpalay dagang yakatikap suliraw. Sumit na yugip kun, pinamunan kong tapon, laipot sa inggas ng sikan-sikan, amamaywin. Nalilak-lay labing oras, lay para mapagpalay dagang yakatikap suliraw. Sumit na yugip kun, pinamunan kong tapon, laipot sa inggas ng sikan-sikan, amamaywin. Lalo labilay, sikanay narangan, ng puras na labing, sobrang maniyak bibitaw. Doon nanunutan, walay sa midlay, ugadim, at nakanalingwanan, hanggang kauyos na lai bareng mapalpalay dagang yakami ke selidagang samit layu gipon pinangunan kutapon lepon selinggas mon sikat-sikat amamayuin lalo labilay kasikalay lamuras langit sa mga nagbibigay nanunutan maray sa pinay ugali ang kakanalimunan hanggang kauyos na bilay ang kakanalimunan hanggang kauyos na bilay.
Down and oh my soul so weary when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. More than I can be. Stormy seas, I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me shoulder.
Must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You've been content to let me shine. You always walked a step behind. I was the one with all the glory. You were the one with all the strength. Only a face without a name. I never once heard you complain. Did you ever know that you're my hero and everything I would like to be? And I can fly higher than an eagle, 'cause you are the wind beneath my wings. Might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero and everything I would like to be? Oh, I can fly higher than an eagle, 'cause you are the wind beneath my wings.
lifetimes are made for years. I will be here. I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you were to me. I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made to you and to the one who gave you to me. I will be here, just as sure as seasons are made for change, and lifetimes are made for years. I will be here. We'll be together, 'cause I will be here.
Ikaw lamang ang tangi kong iniisip, ang lagi kong panaginip. Tayong dalawa ay laging nagmamahalan. Pangarap ko na kailan may di maglaho ang pag-ibig kong ito, pagkat hindi ko makakayang mawalay sa'yo. Ikaw lamang ang buhay ko, sana na may pakinggan mo ang puso ko na mayroong sinasabing ikaw lamang ang tangi kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasan. Sana'y habang buhay tayong magkasama. Ang puso ko'y ibibigay lamang sa'yo. Ito ang aking pangako mula ngayon hanggang magpakailan pa man. Ikaw lamang. Ikaw lamang ang buhay ko. Sana giliw pakinggan mo ang puso ko na mayroong sinasabi. Ikaw lamang ang tani kong minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasal. Sana'y habang buhay tayong magkasama. Ang puso ko'y ibibigay lamang sa'yo. Ito ang aking pangako mula ngayon hanggang
The next law works as far as the other side. As nothing else was today, these really are. And really are still. The others
A reading from the book.
Martha said to Jesus, Lord, if you are here, then whether but even though I know that I was somebody, Jesus said to her, God otherwise. Martha said to me, I know you, life's resurrection on the last day. Jesus told her, I am the resurrection and the life. Whatever believes in me, even if he dies, shall live. And anyone who believes in me will never die. Even this, she said to me this morning, I believe that you are the Messiah, the Son of God, the one who is coming into the world. Gospel Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Peace is given.
Thank you, all who are here, for this is my life, which will be your life forever. Glorious
proclaiming the death of the professional celebrity Leo Young.
Be still, my soul, the Lord is on thy side. Bear patiently the cross of grief or pain. Leave to thy God to order and provide. In every change, He faithful will remain. Be still, my soul, thy best, thy heavenly friend, through thorny ways leads to a joyful end. Be still, my soul, thy God doth undertake to guide the future as He has the past. Thy hope, thy confidence, let nothing shake. All now mysterious shall be bright.
Crossing the
sa lupa magbabalik na kusa ang buhay mong sa lupa nagmula. Bago mo linisin ang dungis ng iyong kapwa, hugasan ng iyong putik sa mukha. Kung ano ang di mo gusto, huwag gawin sa iba. Kung ano ang iyong inutang, ay siya ring kabayaran. Sa mundo ang buhay ay mayroong hangganan, dahil tayo ay lupa lamang. Kaya't pilitin mong ika'y magbago, habang may panahon ika'y magbago. Pagmamahal sa kapwa ay isipin mo. Dahil tayo ay lupa lamang, kaya't pilitin mong ika'y magbago, habang may panahon ika'y magbago. Pagmamahal sa kapwa ay isipin mo. Kaya't pilitin mong ika'y magbago, habang may panahon ika'y magbago. Pagmamahal sa kapwa ay isipin mo. Damdamin ang kasawian, may bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Sisikat din ang iyong araw, ang landas mo ay mag-iilaw. Sa daigdig ang buhay ay ganyan, mayroong ligaya at lumbay, maghintay at may nakalaang bukas. May bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Tutulungan ka ng Diyos na may lalang. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, idalangin mo sa may kapal na sa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Sa daigdig ang buhay ay ganyan, mayroong likaya at lumbay. Maghintay at may nakalaang bukas. May bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Tutulungan ka ng Diyos na may lalang. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, idalangin mo sa may kapal na sa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Ang iyong pagdaramdam, idalangin mo sa may kapal na sa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Nasa puso mo ay mawala ng
May hihigit pa ba sa isang katulad mo, inang mapagmahal na totoo? Lahat ng buti ay naroon sa puso mo. lagi ikaw sa anak mo. Lahat ng buti niya ang laging hangad mo. Patawad ay lagi sa puso mo. Walang inang matitiis ang isang anak. Ika'y dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo. Ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo. Ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Ikaw lamang, Panginoon, kaagapay saan man naroon. Suliranin man ay dumating, ikaw lamang, O Diyos, ang sasambahin. Panginoon ko, sa'yo lamang mananatili kailan pa man.
Kapahingahan sa'yo nakamtan. Kapangyarihan, ikaw ang pinagmulan. Suliranin man ay dumating, ikaw lamang, O Diyos, ang sasambahin. Panginoon ko, sa'yo lamang mananatili kailan pa can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seemed to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. Oh, beautiful release. Memories seep through my veins. Let me be empty. Oh, weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference. Escape one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness, all this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees in the arms
namin sa pagitan ni amin. Hinagayan ni Ika. Pinanagot na kaisip ni amin. Awat kami makukulam ka na kami. Kanura ko man manumpungan patigyan mo kaya kinagta. Amaman man ang patigyan na talaga naman ko.
I wanted you for life, you and me in the wind. I never thought there'd come a time that our story would end. It's hard to understand, but I guess I'll have to try. It's not easy to say goodbye. For all the joy we shared, all that time we had to spend. If I had one wish, I'd want forever back again. To look into your eyes and hold you when you cry. It's not easy to say goodbye. I remember all those great times we had. So many memories, some good, some bad. Yes, and through it all, those memories will last forever. There's peace in where you are. Maybe all I need to know. And if I listen to my heart, I'll hear your laughter once more. And so I have to say, I'm just glad you came my way. It's not easy to say goodbye.